Hi you guys, it's me Tracy, and I wanted to come on today because I wanted to do a nail mail video because I got some nail mail in the mail. So one of the things that I got, it came from Fab Ur Nails, is the Fun 22 plate, which has like a lot of little floral images and some water marble like scribble here. It has some images down the middle. And this plate came from the Philippines. It was made in the Philippines by a lady named Joanne. I think she is really into nail art herself, and I think possibly a nail technician, so she has her own line. It also came with this scraper here, the Fab Ur Nails scraper, which is kind of a small scraper, but it's firm. I really like this, so that's nice. And then I got this gift here, which is a nail brush. I haven't opened it, but I thought that was really a nice gesture because I love great customer service. When you email her, if you have any questions, she gets right back to you within a timely manner, and so that's always fabulous. So that's a great way to keep my business. So then I got this, which is the Fab Ur Nails stamper. I already had one, but I really wanted another sticky stamper. I wanted to get this to kind of compare it to my Westonia stamper. Although my Westonia stamper works great, I just wanted to get this to compare. Plus, I was really wanting her apple green head that she had because the apple green is so beautiful. Oh my God. And when I went online and she was having a sale, and it was already sold out, you guys. So I got this teal colored one. This is kind of like a Tiffany blue. And it's really cute, very sticky, very soft and squishy. Compared to my Fab Ur Nails glaze stamper, which is right here, this is very, very firm. As you can see, the glaze is very firm. Also, the glaze is more of a tacky, not very sticky at all. Both of these have excellent pickup. I've tried this already, even though I got it today, but I kind of practiced on this plate before I made this video. So I wanted to come and show you guys how this plate is gonna stamp using the Tiffany blue stamper here by Fab Ur Nails. And it also, I'm going to use the scraper. So we're just going to use a basic white stamping polish, and we're just going to grab a few images, and I'm going to show you guys how it stamps. I'm going to put a nice generous amount of stamping polish on this particular image. It's kind of lacy, floral-y, kind of really pretty. And that's that. Beautiful pickup. I love the way that looks. No priming needed. All you need to do is just clean off your sticky stamper with a basic lint roller, or you can use tape. I want to do this one because it kind of reminds me of a puzzle piece. So I think that makes it really unique. And again, it just has really nice pickup. I really love the way that this picks up. Cleaning it off with this lint roller. And we'll do another little image up here. How about this one? This is also a floral too. There's a couple of images on here that I don't know if I would use them or not. Like this one particularly right here, because it has like a little skull in the middle of it. So if you're a person that likes skulls, you might like this plate because it has a few of those. That's pretty too. I love how it has the flowers and stuff. That's really pretty. So really nice full images on the plate. We'll go for this one over here. And just, you don't even have to like press very hard at all. And if you were gonna put this on your nail, let me see, I hope it didn't dry, but you can take, oh, it dried. But you can use like some tape, Scotch tape, and you can take off the images. When you're doing stamping on your nails, you need to pretty much kind of work fast because the paint will dry, or the stamping polish, it will dry pretty quickly. So you want to move pretty quickly. I'm going to do one more. This little print here. Well, since we've been doing florals, I'll do this here. And there's that one. That's really cute too. Love, love, love that. So this plate is Stamps Fabulous. If you were looking for unique plates, check out Fab Ur Nails. She has some really, really nice plates on her website. And the etching on here is fabulous and they pick up great. So yeah, I really am happy with this purchase. And I will probably be buying more plates from her again, even though I'm trying to take a little bit of a hiatus from buying plates because I have so many now and I've pretty much filled up my binder that I have. So yeah, but anyway, this is a nice little fun plate, Fab Ur Nails, Fun 22. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.